Hello, welcome traveler.
Let's go.
Parker, you ain't got a tag?
Optimization of landfill selection and urban flood control criteria and strategies is my topic in Introduction to Civil Engineering. Introduction to how to optimize the landfills is this is presentation explores optimization of landfill selection and urban flood control strategies. Effective management of these issues is critical for sustainable urban development and environmental protection. We will examine the key features of and criteria and innovative strategies that can enhance both landfill operations and flood resilience. Criteria for the selection of landfills are geology. A landfill should be located in the area with a low risk of groundwater contamination so that the flood is not occurs easily. Land use in the site selection process, forests, vineyards, and gardens, as well as agriculture areas, should not be included. Distance from surface water. While selecting a landfill site, it should be noted that the distance of the site from the surface of the water is as far away as possible in order to avoid the contamination of the waters. Erosion. Areas having no risk of soil erosion must be considered as a landfill site, while areas having high and severe risk are considered as restricted areas. Distance from cities. Solid waste landfill sites should not be located close to the people since they might cause different types of pol- pollution. For this reason, landfill construction should be implemented far away from the cities. Distance from highways. The distance from the highways is significant in the sense of transport course. The transport course of the solid waste are increasing while moving away from the highways. However, being located on nearby the highways might cause odor and the other related pollutions. For this reason, the moderate distance from the highway should be considered. Slope is the basic criterion for the landfill site selection. High slope areas are not suitable for landfill site due to the construction cost and the probable mass movement hazards. For this reason, areas having lower scope degrees should be considered. Urban flood control challenges. Urban areas faces unique challenges regarding flood control, including increased rainfall and inadequate drainage systems. Climate change exacerbates these issues, leading to the more frequent and severe flooding. Understanding these challenges is essential for the development effective mitigation strategies to protect urban infrastructures. The causes of urban flood: higher rainfall, storm surges, and frequent depressions in open waters, depleting ground tables, heavy metal melting of snow causes flash floods in lower catchment areas, rising sea levels due to global warming, encroachment on drainage areas like lakes, wetlands, and riverbeds, close off way for the excess water to flow. This causes floods. Climate change has disrupted the rainfall pattern. Urban heatlands have increased rainfall over urban areas, resulting in the floods. Pollution of water bodies is choking up the pathways for excess water to flow. Flood control strategies. Effective flood control strategies includes green infrastructure such as rain gardens and permeable pavements which enhance water absorption. Additional implementing retention basins and improving drainage system can significantly reduce flood risks. These strategies promote sustainability and resilience in urban environment. Integrating landfill and flood management. Integrating landfills selection with the urban flood management can lead to more sustainable outcomes by considering hydrological impacts during the land site selection. Sites can be mitigated flooding risks while optimizing waste disposal. This approach fosters a holistic view of urban planning and environment stewardship. Conclusion. In conclusion, optimizing landfill selection and urban flood control is vital for the sustainable urban development. By adhering to establishment criteria and implementing effective strategies, cities can improve environmental quality and resigning against flooding, fostering and healthier urban future for all. This is the end and I have reached the end.